Hello, this is Toliver, just giving you a quick overview of We Share Abundance. This is a awesome program. We're a community of like-minded people helping individuals earn money from home. And with this opportunity, it's a win-win for everyone. When you join, you can join for free and begin to earn money just by logging into your back office. And what I'm showing you right now is my back office. I started here on 9/17/2020, and you see on the first day I earned $27.01. And each day thereafter, I've earned $5 a day just for logging into my back office. So what I encourage you to do is take a look at the video below explaining the potential income that you are able to earn working from home and starting for free. You can get started and lock in your position today and begin to earn money. So take the time to look at the video below that will explain the income you can earn, and then plug in and get activated with your free spot and begin to earn income today.